My name's Trenton, and I've been part of 4-H for 4 years now. And this year, my main project goal was food and nutrition. So, since we all can't get together, at least we can all make a video to share a project. And that's what I'm about to do in this video. This year, I took part in Food Challenge. And if you don't know what Food Challenge is, that's where you and a group of small people get together and create a dish out of one main ingredient that you don't know what it is. So it's kind of like a cooking show. And at this year, my first year, I was able to earn first place at county and second place at district. And it was a great experience. Last year, I also did food show. But what I'd like to show you in this video is one of my favorite ingredients, Philly cheesesteaks. So all you need to make this simple dish is buns, thinly sliced beef steak, and some cheese. But you can add some other stuff, just like we did. We added mushroom and onions. What you first want to do is take your extras, like we did, mushrooms and onions, and you want to cut them up. After you get all those cut up, you want to add them to a pan and cook them. Then you want to take your beef and you want to add it to a skillet or anything that you could cook on it. And you want to add cheese on top of them and flip them until they're both sides are nice and brown. And then if you'd like to cook up your buns, just like we do, you want to butter up your buns and then you want to throw them onto a pan to cook. And you can take them off whenever you think they're ready. So that's all you need to make. But I know what you're thinking. Well, Trenton, what about my plate? What categories does this cover? What can I take away from this dish? I'll tell you. It doesn't cover 2 categories, it covers 3, only if you include the onions and the mushrooms. It covers the vegetable category, the protein category, and the grain category. The beef covers the protein category, the grain is covered by the bread, and if you want to include the vegetables, like the onions and the mushrooms, then it does cover the vegetable category. But if you want to make a total My Plate dinner, you can add some fruits, just like strawberries, watermelon, whatever you like, and you can have a glass of milk with it. And that would make it a complete My Plate dinner. Now there's only one more possible thing I can cover, price. Now you're probably thinking, Trenton, this gourmet meal, it must cost $1,000. No. This amazing meal I just add is only $23.24. And I was just thinking, I mean, just for, 2 people? No. I priced it up, and that's for 6 people. So if you have a big family, just like I do, it costs $23.24 just for 6 people. I mean, that's a lot of people, But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you go try this recipe out. Thank you.